In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Wi-Fi is not working on your Windows. So let's get started. First thing that we need to do is we need to open the services window. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Click on services under the best match. Then we just have to scroll down to the W section and look for the WLAN autoconfig service. Make a right click, select properties. Click on the stop button. Click on this drop down arrow and choose automatic. Click on start. Click on apply and click on OK, and then close the services window. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Then for the next method, right click at the start button, and here you have to open the device manager window. Now once the device manager is open, locate the network adapters. Locate your network adapter and then make a right click, select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you just have to simply choose one by one as to what driver will work for you. Or the latest one, then click on next. The Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this. Unclose the device manager window. Then again, you have to restart your Windows once. Then for the final method, we have to press Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. And here simply type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK and this window will be opened. So locate your Wi-Fi, make a right click, select disable. And then wait for some time. Make a right click and then select enable. And you will see that Wi-Fi will be working fine this time. Okay, this is now connecting. And that's it, we're connected. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.